if you want to start using your Defy washing machine front load loader, well, this one is quite easy to use. Now, first things first is you want to actually load your machine. Now, you want to open the door and put your laundry inside. Now, don't overload it. So you keep clothes loose so they wash properly. So the rule or general rule here is you just need to keep this around like 3/4 full. So make sure there's still space at the top section. Now, from then on, you want to add detergent. Now, you want to pull out the detergent drawer here. So, put detergent in the main wash compartment and fabric softener in the designated section if you use it. Now, typically, it's going to be at the top left section. So, at the left section here, you should be able to see like a small drawer there. You should be able to add the suggested amounts. So, sometimes they would have labels on how much you can add, or you can go and just read the manual on how much you should be adding. Now, from then on, you want to go and just select your program. Now, you want to turn the program dial that you can see at the very center here. So you have that dial. So you want to choose your washing cycle that matches your load type. Now, for example, you have cotton synthetics or dedicates here. Now, check the control panel for options like quick wash or eco mode. Now, also, if you want, you can adjust temperature like spin speed here or other settings like or buttons on the panel. Now, for delicate items, lower temperatures and spin speed as well are going to be the best ones. Now, from then on, just start the wash. Press the start button here. The door will lock and the machine will begin the selected cycle. Now, once the cycle finishes and the door unlocks, remove the clothes promptly to prevent odor and creases. And that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.